What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Medium and also get paid ching on your blog. So let's get right into it. Click here, click on it. Okay, so now the page is open up. You can see right here the trending Medium post right here. You can see other ones right here. To sign into Medium and create an account, you come up here to sign in. Click on it. So you can sign in using Google, Facebook, Apple, and Twitter, or any other email account we have. You can just click here. I'll use Gmail because it's much easier, very quick. So just click on the Gmail right here, Google. So depending if you're using your personal account, you might see your email already appeared. But if it's a different email you want to use to sign in to Medium, you just click use another account. So right here you put in the email account you want to use.
So right here, you're going to put in your password, depending on what your password is. Maybe please subscribe, I need your subscription. Then you click next after you're done typing in your password. So you might not see this when you're opening your account. I don't know why. It says, sorry, did not recognize that account. So I'm going to sign in using Google. So let's do that now. Okay, so right here it says almost there. Finish creating your account for the full Medium experience. So right here, we're going to put our full name. So I'm going to go with FameTech. Then you can see underneath, you can see my email address right there. So I'm just going to press the green button that says create account. Right now on the right side of the screen, you can see it says discover Medium writers you already follow on Twitter. So if you're already following some writers on Twitter, you can also just connect with them on Medium by clicking connect to Twitter. Right here, Medium do suggest people that you can follow. So you can just click on follow and follow any of these writers right here. Recommended topics. Most times when you are creating your account, a page will appear allowing you to choose topics that you have interest in. Most times they do appear on the right side of the screen like this when you're done creating your account. So on the left side of the screen bottom, you're gonna see a profile picture that just has the letter M there. When you click it, you can see your sign out, your settings, your state, your management, publication, your Git, a membership, become a member, and Medium Partners program. I'm gonna tell you more about that later. So coming over to the left, click on list. Once you click on it, you see draft. Any publication that you write but you have not finished it will be saved to your draft, and publications, any article you have written that you have published will be posted right here. Then the response to your publication from your readers will be right here on response. Okay, so let's go back.
Right here we're looking at the recommended post. You can see here. We can move over here to people that we are following already to view their own post. Then you can come here to keep up with the latest any topic. You can click here.
Okay, so you can see right here, the first one you can see is topic. The next one you can see is people. Now under the people, we can see the list of people that we are already following. This list of people are what's already appearing under this icon that we clicked that brought us here. Then the next one is publications. The publication you follow will be in the center. Then Medium also suggests other publications you can follow on the right side of the screen. Now let's go to suggestions. So now once you click on suggestion will bring out more people that you can follow, but this time based on different topics: science, technology, health, just different topics that might interest you, and you might want to follow these writers who write on these things. If you look at the right side, you can see showing you people that you already follow there. So now let's go back. Imagine it's an article that you want to read, but you don't have the time to read it right then. You could simply save the article so they can read it later. Once you click the save button, you will see a default article list that says read list. This is a list you can save your article to. But imagine you want to personalize it. You want to have a list for your sport articles that you don't have time to read, but you want to read it later on. You can have your tech articles separated into different lists. So you can create different lists for your articles that you want to read later. That's why you can see I already have a tech article already created. So now let's move on to the three dots at the side. So once you click the three dots, you're going to see mute this author, mute this publication. You can also report if you don't like what is written there, you find it offensive. Now let me show you where the blog posts that you save, where they're normally kept. Let's go there. So come over to the left side of the screen, then click on list. Once it opens, you see saved. Now these are articles that we just saved in a list. You can see them. You can see the text. We have the article right there and also in read list, and also you can see highlighted, and we also have recently viewed. Recently viewed, this will show you articles that you recently read. So any article you recently read or a blog post that you made yourself will also show here. Now let's move on to notification. So on top of the list icon, you see a bell. Click on it. Now all your notification will appear here, like new blog posts, like somebody liking your blog post, all this notification, everything is going to be here. Moving on, done with notification. Now how do we write our blog post? How do I write an article on Medium? Let's go right into it. Click on that icon that says write. So once it opens up, you can see title, where you can write the title of the post you're trying to make. Then also tell your story, that's the body of your post. You can put images, pictures, videos, links in there. Then I'm also gonna, okay, so let's write our title. I think I'll call it first blog post. So press enter. Once you press enter, the plus button do appear. You can see it there. Click on it. A certain option appears. The first one allows you to upload a picture into your post. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the pictures on your system. So pick one of the pictures, click on open, then look at it. It appears on your screen, and that's how you can upload a picture into your post. Moving on, now I'm going to show you how you can upload pictures, online pictures, into your post. Click on the plus button, click on the second icon that looks like a magnifying glass. Once you click on it, a little search box do appear. When a search box appears, let's see what we want to search for. Let's search for coffee. Type coffee, press enter on your keyboard. When you press enter, a lot of pictures will appear. When it do appear, you can go through it to see the one you like. If you don't like anyone that first appear, you can scroll up, you see next, click on next, and you can now see more pictures. Choose anyone that you want, just click on it. Once you click on it, it will automatically load into your post. Wow, this is very big. Okay, this is a very big picture of a coffee. See, so that's how you can do that. So now I'm going to show you how you can add links from YouTube on any video site into your post. Click on the third icon. Once you click on it, you see a little letters written underneath that says paste a YouTube, Vimeo, or other video links, and press enter. So I'm going to find a link, paste it there, then press enter. Then you see the video will just appear there. So let me show you how you can bring in links from other articles you might want to put into your own blog post. Maybe it relates to your content what you're writing. So you're going to click on the fourth icon. When you click on it, it's going to say, yeah, paste your link here. So get a link, paste it there. When you do, press enter, and boom, you see the link appear, the post appear there, and it really looks nice. Note, automatically Medium saves your post. Everything you're writing, it automatically saves it. So now we're on the last icon. Let me show you how you can leave 3 dots and a space. Just add a new part in your blog. So what you need to do is just press the last icon, and yes, you do have 3 dots, but you can probably do with a 3 comma and space. Yeah, that's very important. What is the blog post without a text? Basically nothing. So I'm going to paste some text and show you how you can format the text. Now, first thing you have to do, you have to highlight the text. Once you highlight it, an option will appear. The first letter B makes any highlighted text bold. Select the text that you want to format to open the text toolbar and click the I button to apply the format. Link. To create an hyperlink in your post, select the text you want to convert into a link. To open the text toolbar, click on the chain icon in the toolbar to hyperlink the selected text. Paste or type in the link and press enter. The big T stands for title. Only the first line of the story is considered the title. Select the text and click the large T icon to format the title. It can be of any length, so just click on the T and you have a title. Booyah! So the smaller T is for subtitle. Writing directly below the title is considered the subtitle. Select the text and click the small T icon to format the subtitle. It can be of any length. Now let me show you how you can create a quote. Select any text in the editor and click on the quote icon in the menu to make it a block quote. Click on the icon again the second time to make it a pull quote. Clicking the icon on a third time will remove the quote formatting. Oh yeah! To getting closer, drop cap, drop cap, drop cap, drop cap, drop cap. Okay, let me tell you about the drop cap. Select the first letter of a paragraph and an option to turn it into a drop cap will appear in your formatting menu. So basically, you can create like one letter becomes so big that it takes like attention. Seriously, the drop cap really looks nice. Leaving a private note on a draft or a published post. Select the text you want to comment on. Click the lock icon from the pop-up toolbar. Write your notes. If you do not see this option in the toolbar, it is because the author has turned off the private note. Congratulations, we are done. Now we want to publish our post. All we need to do is to click the green button up that says publish. Now this doesn't mean there's not more you can learn, but seriously, let us publish our post. So click the green button. So the next thing you need to do when you want to publish is you have to write a tag. Tags are very important because they help your article to be easily to be found when people are searching for a particular article on a particular topic. So depending on the topic you're writing on, you can write a maximum of 5 tags. And also when you're writing the tags, you could also see options coming out. If you don't like the cover picture, you can always change it. But take note, you can only change it to a picture that's in your article. So if you don't have any other picture to change it with, well, that's it. You can't change it basically. So after changing your cover picture, the next thing you need to do is click on publish. After you click on publish, boom, everybody can see your post and read it. And you can also see a preview of your post too. When you look down on your post, you can see the social media link. You can share your post to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, even copy the link. And if you click on the 3 dots, you can see you can edit story, you can hide response, add to publication. You can also see your story stats. That is like a data on your story, on your post, saying where your views are coming from, how many people viewed it, or if they're coming from other social media links. You can also see that. So basically just say data on your post or article you have written. Now let's talk about Medium Partnership Program, the program that pays you when you blog on Medium. So go to your profile picture, click on it, then we're going straight up to the Medium Partnership Program. Click on it, then this beautiful green page open up. So now let's go down to see the eligibility criteria for the program. So let's go down. Okay, now let's check the eligibility criteria. Once we should have published at least one article, then at least have 100 followers. Then every 6 months we should at least publish one article every 6 months. So which means you can't just publish one article and just leave it like that. Every 6 months, at least every 6 months, you have to publish an article to remain in the program. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.